Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Monarch here, and today I'm going to be doing something that I've never done before. I'm going to be doing a cooking video. So today what I'm going to be cooking is something that I just thought of kind of randomly. Chick Fil A Pizza. Yeah, crazy, right? Chick Fil A doesn't serve pizza. But yeah, basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going to my local pizza place and getting like a thing of dough. And then at Chick Fil A, here's the ingredients I'm getting. I'm getting chicken nuggets, I'm getting like a thing of Chick Fil A sauce, and then I'm gonna get Chick Fil A fries and Chick Fil A mac and cheese, and then just regular cheese and put it all on top. Gonna make a bangin' pizza. So here's me with all the stuff, and I am back, guys. All right, so I went to my local pizza place, got some pizza dough. I got me the chicken nuggets, mac and cheese, fries, and got myself the Kraft mozzarella, of course, obviously. All right, so we'll start with the dough. Dough time. So I couldn't find a rolling pin, so I guess I'm just gonna use my hands, roll that thing out, do a quick one up. Wow. Shoot. Just gonna keep stressing this dough out. Got the oven preheating to 450 right now. I've never actually cooked like a pizza, so this is completely new territory, but thought, hey, for the Chick Fil A. That's what they always say, right? I really hope this works and isn't really bad. You know what? I'm not even going to say that. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be some amazing pizza. Yeah. Ooh. 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 Sorry, the camera angle's kind of bad because kind of rushed this recording a little bit. Also, I'm doing this on like this metal plate, so it's not the best noise-wise, so that too. And I don't have a pizza roller, so that 3. And I can tell this can be stretched a lot more, but it's just, oh my god, yeah, it's so annoying. Oh, you can't really see that very well, but right there, yeah, you kind of can. It's a little bad, so I gotta just twist the dough back into there without ruining the pizza. You know, let me try to make a little crust, because this is one thing about me, you know, I like a little crust. Quick little update. Oven at 305, so quite a ways to go. Pizza pie. This is quite well done, if I do say so myself. It's quite flat. And then, so I guess I got this mac and cheese and fries. So after I warm it up, I do a layer of Chick Fil A sauce just around, like as like the marinara sauce, and then I sprinkle it on these, some nuggies, and some of those. I'm gonna sneak one. We are waiting. We are simply waiting. What's she looking at? Cooking. We are waiting. It is annoying. This is the part that no one tells you about cooking, that you have to actually wait. Like, you have to wait for it to finish, so I don't know about that. Why doesn't it just immediately cook, so we now have the gloves. You kidding me? You didn't think we would have the gloves? We have them. I missed the crabs in this bee. So, but let's go over this real quick. On the old phone, since this is not like a recipe you can do, I just have to spitball the numbers. I don't know if that's the right term, but just kind of do the numbers. So I heard pizza's usually 450, so I'm doing 450 for 6 minutes, and then it says remove it and add toppings and sauce. It's time. Wait, so it says 6 minutes, so let's get a timer out for 6 minutes. Or I guess I can... Yeah, I'll do that after I put it in. Let's go, guys. Imagine I drop this. Goes in the oven. There we go. Now we put a timer for 6 minutes. I do like my pizza usually medium rare though, so I might cheat a little. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. How do you not understand that I'm joking? Whoa. All right. We gotta be quick about this. I should not have waited. I should have just, when the timer was about to go off, just stopped. All right. So we're gonna start with the sauce. That is Chick Fil A sauce. Let me get a fork maybe. Just gonna spread this around. Nice. They told me it couldn't be done, Chick Fil A Pizza, but I showed them. Alright, I think that's around half the Chick Fil A sauce, so still just calmly moving it all around. Got some in my hand. Tastes so good. Chick Fil A sauce. Alright. So, I got a decent amount. So the next thing is the fries. Start putting them all around. Covering them all with fries, because fries be good, you know. Just it's got a medium fry per pizza. I'm making 2 pizzas, so. Alright. Then we got the mac and cheese. Never had Chick Fil A mac and cheese. Is it good? Probably. Or definitely, actually. It smells amazing. Shit. Guys, I dropped some. I think this pan is really thick, so I definitely gotta cook it for longer than it recommends. Spreading around this. I'm putting quite a lot of toppings on. You see how freaking... Alright, yeah, you see it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That looks good. And then I'll put the cheese on it. Oh my god, guys, this looks so good. Alright. Gotta go back in. God, this is a monstrosity. Okay, so it's in the oven now. So basically, I don't think the bread cooked as much as it probably should have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a 20-minute timer on, honestly, because I think that's what it's gonna need. All right, here's an update at 10 minutes into cooking. You can see it's kind of cooking, but I think it needs another like 5-6 minutes, honestly. All right, guys, let's pull this out. Let's get this sucker. Fuck. Gee, that's burned myself a little bit. All right, pulling this thing out now. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Jeez. This is the full thing of it. Look how good that looks. Dang. Okay, guys, let's cut the pizza. Jeez. Gotta hold this thing steady, but it's also burning hot, so I gotta be careful. So guys, you always want to cut it into 8s. That's what pizza people do. So you gotta do the same. Unless you're making a big one, then you can cut it into like 16ths. I'm more of a 8-man myself, though, but I guess it is your preference. I could do 4s. It's probably going to be cut better if it's 4s, but then I have more than 4 people that I'm cooking for, so I'm going to cut it in 8s. One more cut. Alright guys, last cut. Just in terms of things, I'm gonna move this right here so this person gets one. Alright. All cut. Okay, and we are here with the taste test of the Chick Fil A Pizza. See if fork and knife is usual for me at least. Yo, that's good. Bro.
Tastes like Chick Fil A.
Needs alligator.
That is good.
I legitimately like this a lot.
It's delicious.
Alright, yeah, this is your boy, Denim and Erk, with a cooking video with Chick Fil A Pizza. It was really fun to make, really good, honestly, like surprisingly good. And yeah, I plan on making more videos like this. Leave a comment if you have a suggestion, leave a like, subscribe. What's it called? Fuck, I can't think right now. Just comment other things you might want me to cook, but yeah, it's been your boy Denim and Erk, and goodbye.